Look at that. See, tatapon. So,
Sayang itatapon. Hiningin namin kasi paksiwon namin.
tingnan mo, oh, ang laki
Ang
niyan.
dami pala. Oo, mahal kaya ng kilo yan sa Pilipinas. See,
Dami, no?
Dami. Halag. Yeah.
Yung mapuno na yung kawali.
Halag left. Asim, sobrang asim.
Tapos takpan natin daw yung saging ulit. Ayan. Ayan. Galing sa garden ni Gloria.
Laki ng plan ko. Japanese to. Japanese
Uy, yung parang Japanese
Sila.
niya, yung length niya. Sarap.
Tikman natin yan mamaya.
Mhm.
Parang survivor lang. Yung pig natin.
Kakamping kami ha. This is camping. Yung iba, nagka-camping yung iba. That's how we camp. There's the ocean. The marina behind the camping area. We have a good. Saging nga. Masarap yung ng saging.
Uy,
nakamay
ako dito.
Sarap ako nga mamaya. Magkamay. Ito sa father-in-law ko yan. Pakainin namin. Pakainin natin yung paksiw. Yung bait.
Yung bed.
Isn't it?
I mean, it's good.
It's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just watch for the bones.
I won't eat all of them though, I can tell you that.
Okay. Good?
Yeah, real good.
Paksiw?
Fuck y'all eat bones now.
No, we don't eat the bones unless you
I doubt.
you fry it. We can get that one and then fry it in a hot and then it become crispy because you cooked it already.
That guy will send you, he'd never throw away baked fish for you.
Yeah.